I like working at Durable Slate because they let you grow in the company. I started as a regular slater and I started as a mechanic, and now I'm at quality control. There are some real cool stuff that we do, like on buildings that I never thought in my life I was going to be on those type of buildings. There is something that I really love about this company is that I travel a lot. I've been in this country for almost 30 years, and I lived in Maryland the rest, like almost 30 years. And now in 2 years that I've been with Durable, I know probably 20 states, and that's awesome.
And we always have work. Before I came to Durable, I'd be working for these people and we'd be laid off for 4 weeks, 6 weeks at a time.
I am Jose Paires Lizama. I'm feeling comfortable in this company because this company, Duro Slay, is very great company. I like in here because we are big family in here in Maryland. This company have a lot of benefits, and I work in other company before, but it's different. That's why I come in here and I brought my partners, my friend, and here and everybody happy in here. That's why we are comfortable. I am comfortable, and thank you for giving me a chance and work in this company.
And now I see myself on those roofs, and I'm like, wow, it's like a dream come true. And this is just the beginning. And
My name is Thomas. I've been employed here at Durable Slate going on 13 years. I am the material manager, and what I do here is make sure that the materials are prepared or ready for when the guys go out to do the job, whatever job that might be. I like working here at Durable Slate for the simple reason that everything is basically new. There's always a different day. It's not repetitive. The people that we meet and the people that we work with, they all present a new experience every day. Very fun people to be around.
One of the best things about working for Durable Slate is when you're doing the roofing, you get to travel all over the country because we work all over the country. And so you get to see places that you wouldn't otherwise see.
Some of my favorite things about working at Durable are the people and the possibilities. You're surrounded by great people and amazing possibilities and opportunities. If you come in to Durable with a great attitude and you really drive through the training and our teaching, the possibilities are endless. We get guys that come in as Slate apprentices and they end up running their own branches. It's a phenomenal place to be.